Hello, today I want to present you my Unity UI package, UI Trails. This package will make you available to adjust your ability icons or something else, like maybe you can use it for guides or tutorial in the game. So there is some free images that I was able to download. There is how they are looking right now with my Unity UI trails. So now package consists of 12 textures or frames, all of them presented on the screen. Next, there is also circle mask and round rectangle mask. Next, rotating texture that use for creating this effect. Next, there is also using only one material for all of these images. All these trails, it is an image with a custom material and additional script helper that converts UV chords as I was needed. So let's me describe what's going on in the settings of material. There's several parameters. First of all, it is a rotating texture. It always should be one of textures that will be consist in this folder. So next, time speed. It is a speed of the all trails, how fast they are rotating around the icon. Next, trail length follow make us available to make the trail short, max shortly, or max long as we want. But for now, it also affects the emission. But some patches next will fix this issue. So we can control the trails count from 1 to 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We can also adjust the follow to create spaces between them and make it look, I think, much better right now than this. So let's return to two trails. So next emission. If you are using the post-processing, this package will also work great with HDR or URP, but for example, I use the standard post-processing volume from Unity. So there is some settings that you can check in the package after download it. If you are using emission, if emission will be enabled, you will be you can look that trails looks a little bit simple, I think. So we can adjust the length and so on. Okay, let's return our emission, cut our trails a bit. So also it is a a slider for emissions range. You can adjust it. I just set the maximum value of 5 because it is too glowly, I think. So all the default values will be also imported with package. You can easily change it even if you want it. So next. So the next one, it was a README file that will describe how to set up and everything else issues that can you face with. For example, now I want to show you how to create this, how to add this effect to your current scene, to your current Unity game. So let's create a new scene, save that one, change the color of camera. Next, we want to create canvas. We also need to change the mark the flag of text court 1. It will be very important for the next steps. So create the simple image. Let's set the width and height of it. Now let's assign the material. We also see our material right now. Good. Let's go to the scene view. Now we want to take one of our textures, and we have seen that something goes wrong, something broken down, you can think. But no, don't stress. We need just to add the my custom script that will fix everything. So now you can see that everything works fine. I also entered play mode. You can change the color in the image. It's the shader maximally optimized because of using UI with shaders. Sometimes it can make something lagging or something bad, but not with this shader. Now we can see that if you will also add the post-processing volume, we need to add the post-processing effect on our main camera. So next, create the empty object. Let's name it post-processing. Let's set the transform and add there our post-processing profile. So now we can check. Also change the layer, and now I think everything work. Yeah, mark as global for all the scene. So now we have this cool glow effect on our threads. That's great. I think that's all. If you have any questions, you can write me on this email, or maybe I also will share my Telegram login. So I also will be happy if you will support me with buying my package on Unity Asset Store, and I wish that you will be happy to use it, and it will make your games looks much better. So bye bye.